In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let customers adjust quantity for Stripe payment links. This is really useful if you're selling a product or service where people might want more than one item, like event tickets, digital products, or physical goods. By the end of this video, your customers will be able to choose how many units they want to buy directly on the Stripe checkout page, without you needing to create separate links for different quantities. First, open your Stripe dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct account. You should land on the main home dashboard, where you can see an overview of your payments, balances, and recent activity. If you manage multiple accounts or environments, double check that you're in the right one, especially if you're testing this out before going live. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. From here, click on Payments. This section is where Stripe groups everything related to how you get paid: charges, payouts, and in our case, payment links. It may take a second to load if you have a lot of activity, so just wait for it to finish. Once you're in the payments area, look for payment links in that same left-hand column and click it. Payment links are those simple URLs you can share with customers so they can pay without you needing a full website or custom checkout integration. Here, you'll see a list of all the links you've already created. Next, identify the payment link you want to modify. On the right side of that row, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, usually indicating more options. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with actions you can take on that specific link. From the menu that appears, choose Edit. This will open the configuration screen for that payment link, where Stripe shows all of the settings you originally chose: product, price, description, and various checkout options. This is where you can turn on quantity adjustments. In the Edit screen, look for a setting labeled Let Customers Adjust Quantity. By default, this box is often unchecked, which means customers are limited to a fixed quantity, usually 1. Click on the unchecked box to enable it. Once it's checked, customers using this payment link will see a quantity selector on the checkout page, allowing them to increase or decrease the number of items they purchase. After checking that box, make sure to save your changes. Then test the link yourself in a private browser window to confirm that the quantity selector appears and behaves the way you expect. And that's it. Your Stripe payment link now lets customers adjust the quantity before they pay.